my channel. Y'all know who it is, the Glam Princess, but I ain't feeling so glam right now. I know I look a mess, y'all. I just got off of work, 12-hour shift. So, baby, do not, under no circumstances, do not judge me, okay? So, I mean, I already know I look bad. But, okay, so if you entered the giveaway on the 11th, you will be entered in the giveaway next week because the deadline was 12 a.m. on Saturday morning. So let me just say that the second giveaway, I will do that on Monday. I will announce winners on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Once again, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So this week I will be announcing Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and so I will do the same next week. Make sure you all are reading the information in the description box because that's letting you know how you will receive the tiles if you win. And I will be sending out all of the towels on that following Monday after I announce the winners for that week, because I'm only going to want to go twice, and that's one time for the first week and one time for the second week. And also, a lot of people had put Glamify in the comments, but they did not email me. And if you don't email me, then I won't be able to send it out because I won't be able to get your address, because I'm not going to put your address on the in the comments. And also, I'm using a comment picker, so that comment picker is going to eliminate any duplicate entries, email that is not is spam, because I'm getting some spam email. So y'all, I'm just, if you can get an email that is legit, and not saying that it's not, sometimes it just does that, or whatever. But I'm hoping that we can get that part straightened out, because if you win, I do want you to get your, your tiles. Sunday night, like I said, that will be the night that, I want you to send me the address before Sunday night. If Sunday night is like the deadline, so send it by Sunday so I can send out the tiles on Monday. So I hope everybody understand that. And if you don't, just feel free to email me any questions that you may have, y'all. I look so bad. Any questions you may have, y'all just email me, or you can put it in the comments, unless you don't want nobody to know, which I understand that. So y'all, I do have a DIY, a quick DIY, because I got to take my mom out. I take her out every week. I take my family out to eat every week because I enjoy being around them, y'all. So today is that day. So these Mondays kind of be rough for me because I spend quality time with my family. But y'all are my family too. So, I love y'all. So let me tell y'all a surprise that I have. It's a little surprise. It's not a big surprise. So instead of giving away 6 sets of tiles, so having 6 winners, I want to do 9 because I appreciate the response that I'm getting. So y'all, I just cannot not give y'all all this tile. I'm gonna give y'all all of it, and I'm gonna buy me some more, or either get some, however I get it. But I want to, I want all of y'all to get some. I want to try to get everybody some. I wish I could, y'all, but I'm gonna try. I'm going to try. So that is the surprise. So today, instead of 1 winner, I will be announcing 2 winners, okay? I will announce the 2 winners. So instead of you getting 3 winners this week, you're going to get 6 winners. And also, I am going to, like when this video is over, it'll be at the end of the video when I show who won or whatever. I'm going to show it on the screen, so you will have 3 days to contact me and let me know that, hey, I know I'm the winner or whatever. You got 3 days. And also, like I said, by Sunday, I would like to have your address so I can send you out these towels so y'all can make some stuff. And I'm going to try to make some small things too, to show y'all, what y'all can do with this towel. I hope y'all got some ideas, because I'm always using the towels on the video. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get to this DIY so I can announce, well, not announce, but show on the screen who the winners are. So I hope you all keep watching. Love y'all. Okay, Glam fam, so let's get into these DIYs. I'm going to give you two. We're going to use this box. We're going to use some mirrored tile, and we're going to use our crystal diamond sheets. We're going to use glue and a glue gun and glue sticks. Okay, so all we're going to do is these are going to be some very, very simple, easy DIYs. Anyone can do these DIYs. And with the towel that you get, you might want to consider, doing something as simple as this with them. So all we're going to do is take the tile, and we're going to put it on the around the box. So for this next DIY, we're going to use the same tiles. We're going to use these blocks from Dollar Tree. We're going to use our bling wrap. We're going to use a candle holder and this square mirror. So let's get it started. The thing is, y'all, I did not spray paint this gray. I would advise you to, if you are looking for longevity, then I would say, hey, spray paint it gray. If you're looking for longevity, also you can use E6000 or some Gorilla hot glue. Okay, so after we glued these two together, all we're going to do is take our mirrored tiles And we are going to, and I'm not putting a lot of glue on these, y'all, because you know how I do. I reuse these, and I want to make it easy for me when I get ready to, take it off. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our beautiful candle holders and vase turned out. Y'all, I am loving, 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 loving this. Okay, y'all, stay tuned for the reveal of our winners. And if you like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIYs. Goodbye, family.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this?